Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are keeping well. So guys, today's video I'm going to teach you how to make coconut milk. It's very easy and simple. You know, in some remedies I prepare for men, I used to tell them that when they want to do it, they should go for coconut milk or almond milk. And a lot of them are asking me how to make a coconut milk because some of them have coconut at home, but they don't know what they are going to use it to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk. Please keep on watching. I will start by breaking the coconut. I'll be using 2 coconuts to prepare the milk. But if you have more than 2 coconuts, you can make use of it.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Harder.
So the next thing I'll be doing now is just to transfer the coconut into a bowl that contains water, and I will give it a wash. So after washing it, the next thing I'll be doing now is just to slice the coconut small so that you will be able to blend. Because if you slice it or cut it big, when you are blending it, it might destroy your blender. So if you want to prepare coconut water, coconut milk, you have to slice it small so that your blender will be able to blend it. Okay. After cutting the coconut small, the next thing I'll do now is just to take a clean plate and transfer everything inside the plate and clear the table so that I will have chance to blend the coconut. Another thing you need now is your clean blender. I will start putting or transferring the coconut inside the blender for blending. The next thing I'll be adding now is a cup of warm water. Why I say you should take warm water is that coconut has oil. With the warm water, it will be easy to blend. Now I'm going to blend this off camera so that I will get time. I don't want this video to be long. I have finished blending the coconut. Next thing I'll be needing is a clean bowl and a clean cloth. Yeah, those that used to sell pap in Nigeria or that used to prepare pap for their family, you can know what this cloth is. But if you don't have this cloth and you have a clean handkerchief, make use of it. After transferring the blended coconut inside this cloth, I will start by squeezing out the milk. If you don't want to make use of the chaff, you can use your sieve. is because I'm going to make use of the chaff. One of these days, I'm still going to bring it and show you how to make coconut flour. It's very easy. You can use the coconut flour to make coconut puff, coconut buns, or donuts, or you can as well turn it as semo. It's very okay and delicious. For those that are watching their weight, coconut flour is also recommended in watching weight. So guys, you can see how the chaff look like. I'm going to sun dry the chaff. After sun drying it, I will now reblend it before I'll make use of it. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing now is just to take the coconut milk and transfer it in a cup so that it will be easy to put in a drinking cup. So the next thing I'll be doing now is just to take a drinking cup and transfer it into the drinking cup. Some of the health benefits of coconut milk are: number 1, it aids in weight loss. Number 2, it contains antioxidants. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. Coconut milk helps to prevent heart disease. When your husband's libido is always low or his stamina, if you have a coconut milk in your house, just give him a glass of coconut milk. It's going to help him to get strength. Okay, coconut milk also helps to increase men's sperm count. Coconut milk helps to prevent anemia. And the coconut milk is also healthy for your hair and your skin. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I've come to end of today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. See you again in my next video. Ciao, bye.